Ever wonder why gold has been passed down for centuries? Families trust it because it holds value when paper money can't. Across history, gold has stood apart as one of the few assets that reliably holds wealth over time. Families in ancient civilizations used gold to preserve their legacy, and that same principle still applies today. In the section Why Smart Investors Own Gold, the guide explains how gold's value has endured through wars, inflation, and financial crisis. Unlike paper money that loses purchasing power, gold is scarce, tangible, and has maintained its role as a trusted store of value for generations. That's why investors often see gold not just as an asset for themselves, but as a way to protect and transfer wealth securely to their children and grandchildren. This guide helps you see how gold can serve as a legacy asset for your family's future. I've added the guide link for you below. This is one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like Company Integrity Checklist and Silver Scheme Report, all designed to help you make informed, confident choices for long-term retirement planning. Download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle for free and discover how gold can help safeguard wealth across generations. You will find the link waiting for you right below this video.